MS Excel Shortcut Keys Question Answers MCQs. Welcome to my channel 10 Factors. This is an educational channel and I upload GK question answer videos in this channel on science. Let's start. Question 1. Which shortcut key is used to remove all borders? A. Shift plus underscore, underline. B. Shift plus F1. C. Control plus right arrow key. D. Control plus Shift plus underscore, underline. Right answer, D. Control plus Shift plus underscore, underline. Question 2. In MS Excel 2019, which shortcut key is used to insert a hard return? A. Shift plus Enter. B. Control plus E. C. Alt plus Enter. D. Control plus Enter. Right answer, C. Alt plus Enter. Question 3. Which key is used for strike-through selection? A. Control plus 5. B. Control plus right arrow key. C. Shift plus F2. D. Control plus F5. Right answer, A. Control plus 5. Question 4. Which shortcut key is used to apply outline borders? A. Control plus Shift plus 7. B. Shift plus F1. C. Control plus right arrow key. D. Shift plus 7. Right answer, A. Control plus Shift plus 7. Question 5. Which shortcut key is used to add new worksheet? A. Shift plus F1. B. Control plus Shift. C. Shift plus F11. D. Control plus right arrow key. Right answer, C. Shift plus F11. Question 6. Which shortcut key is used to change the font size? A. Shift plus F1. B. Shift plus P. C. Control plus Shift plus P. D. Control plus right arrow key. Right answer, C. Control plus Shift plus P. Question 7. In Excel, which shortcut key is used to hide the selected columns? A. Control plus 0. B. Control plus 1. C. Alt plus 0. D. Control plus A. Right answer, A. Control plus 0. Question 8. In MS Excel, which shortcut key is used to move at the beginning of the worksheet? A. Control plus H. B. Control plus Shift. C. Alt plus Home. D. Control plus Home. Right answer, C. Alt plus Home. Question 9. Which shortcut key is used to open Format Cells dialog box in MS Excel 2019? A. Control plus 0. B. Control plus 1. C. Control plus A. D. Alt plus 0. Right answer, B. Control plus 1. Question 10. Which key is used to select the entire row? A. Control plus right arrow key. B. Control plus Shift. C. Shift plus spacebar. D. Control plus spacebar. Right answer, C. Shift plus spacebar. Question 11. Which shortcut key is used to format number in time format? A. Shift plus Et. B. Control plus Shift plus Et. C. Shift plus F1. D. Control plus right arrow key. Right answer, B. Control plus Shift plus Et. Question 12. Which shortcut key is used format number in date format? A. Shift plus hashtag. B. Control plus Shift plus hashtag. C. Control plus right arrow key. D. Shift plus F1. Right answer, B. Control plus Shift plus hashtag. Question 13. Which shortcut key is used to edit a comment? A. Control plus right arrow key. B. Shift plus F1. C. Shift plus F2. D. Control plus Shift. Right answer, C. Shift plus F2. Question 14. Which key is used to delete one character from the right? A. Delete. B. End. C. Erase. D. Control plus Shift. Right answer, A. Delete. Question 15. Which key is used to insert rows or columns? A. Shift plus spacebar. B. Control plus right arrow key. C. Control plus Shift. D. Control plus Shift plus. Right answer, D. Control plus Shift plus. Question 16. Which key is used to select the entire column? A. Spacebar. B. Control plus Shift. C. Control plus right arrow key. D. Control plus spacebar. Right answer, D. Control plus spacebar. Question 17. Which shortcut key is for AutoSum? A. Alt plus equals. B. Control plus Shift. C. Alt plus F1. D. Control plus equal sign. Right answer, A. Alt plus equals. Question. Point 18. In Excel, which shortcut key is used to hide the selected rows? A. Alt plus 9. B. Control plus 9. C. Control plus A. D. Control plus J. Right answer, B. Control plus 9. Question 19. Shortcut key to change the font in MS Excel is? A. Shift plus F. B. Control plus right arrow key. C. Control plus Shift plus F. D. Shift plus F1. Right answer, C. Control plus Shift plus F. Question 20. Which shortcut key is used to format number in currency format? A. Control plus right arrow key. B. Control plus Shift plus $. C. Shift plus F1. D. Shift plus $/Li. Right answer, B. Control plus Shift plus $. Question 21. Which shortcut key is used to insert new worksheet? A. Control plus Shift plus F3. B. Control plus Shift plus F6. C. Control plus Shift plus F9. D. Alt plus Shift plus F1. Right answer, D. Alt plus Shift plus F1. Question 22. Which key is used to open help window? A. F1. B. F4. C. F2. D. F3. Right answer, A. F1. Question 23. Which key is used to go to a specific cell? A. F2. B. F1. C. F5. D. F3. Right answer, C. F5. Question 24. Which key is used to insert the current time? A. Shift plus F7. B. Shift plus Alt plus D. C. Control plus Shift plus. D. Shift plus F12. Right answer, C. Control plus Shift plus. Question 25. Which key is used to create chart in MS Excel? A. Shift plus F4. B. F11. C. Shift plus End. D. F12. Right answer, B. F11. Question 26. In MS Excel 2019, which shortcut key is used to insert a function? A. Control plus F. B. Shift plus F3. C. Control plus F3. D. Shift plus F. Right answer, B. Shift plus F3. Question point 27. Which key is used to insert the current date? A. Shift plus F7. B. Shift plus Alt plus T. C. Shift plus F12. D. Control plus semicolon. Right answer, D. Control plus semicolon. Question 28. Which key is used to paste the selected text from cell? A. Control plus V. B. Shift plus F7. C. Shift plus F12. D. Shift plus End. Right answer, A. Control plus V. Question 29. Control plus is used to underline the selected text? A. Z. B. Y. C. X. D. U. Right answer, D. U. Question 30. Which key is used to check spelling and grammar? A. F3. B. F7. C. F5. D. F2. Right answer, B. F7. Question 31. In Excel, which shortcut key is used to go to the Data tab? A. Control plus S. B. Control plus A. C. Control plus B. D. Alt plus A. Right answer, D. Alt plus A. Question 32. Which key is used to open the View tab in MS Excel 2019? A. Control plus W. B. Control plus A. C. Control plus C. D. Alt plus W. Right answer, D. Alt plus W. Question. 33. Which key is used to save as the document? A. F5. B. F11. C. F3. D. F12. Right answer, D. F12. Question. 34. Control plus is used to undo the last action? A. X. B. Y. C. Q. D. Z. Right answer, D. Z. Question. 35. In Microsoft Excel 2019, which key is used to open the Review tab? A. Control plus R. B. Alt plus R. C. Control plus T. D. Control plus W. Right answer, B. Alt plus R. Question. 36. Which key is used to run the thesaurus on selected word? A. Shift plus End. B. Shift plus F7. C. Shift plus Insert. D. Shift plus F12. Right answer, B. Shift plus F7. Question. 37. Which key is used to edit the highlighted cell? A. F6. B. F3. C. F2. D. F9. Right answer, C. F2. Question. 38. Control plus is used to close the currently open document? A. P. B. A. C. O. D. W. Right answer, D. W. Question. 39. Which key is used with Control to paste the copied text? A. T. B. B. C. V. D. B. Right answer, C. V. Question. 40. Which key is used with Control to select all content of a worksheet? A. X. B. C. C. A. D. V. Right answer, C. A. Question. 41. In MS Excel 2019, which shortcut key is used to open the Insert tab? A. Alt plus I. B. Alt plus B. C. Control plus N. D. Alt plus N. Right answer, D. Alt plus N. Question. 42. In Excel, which shortcut key is used to go to the Formulas tab? A. Alt plus M. B. Control plus M. C. Control plus C. D. Control plus B. Right answer, A. Alt plus M. Question. 43. Which key is used with Control to open a new workbook in MS Excel? A. N. B. L. C. J. D. A. Right answer, A. N. Question. 44. Which key is used with Control to find and replace text? A. G. B. J. A. N. D. A. Right answer, A. N. Question. 45. In MS Excel, which shortcut key is used to open the Page Layout tab? A. Alt plus P. B. Alt plus T. C. Control plus P. D. Control plus S. Right answer, A. Alt plus P. Question. 46. Which key is used with Control to cut selected text? A. G. B. H. C. X. D. A. Right answer, C. X. Question. 47. Which key applies italic effect on highlighted cells? A. Control plus I. B. Control plus A. C. Control plus X. D. Control plus C. Right answer, A. Control plus I. Question. 48. Which key is used with Control to search the current sheet? A. F. B. C. C. B. D. A. Right answer, D. A. Question. 49. In Microsoft Excel 2019, which key is used to open the File tab menu? A. Control plus F. B. Control plus D. C. Alt plus F. D. Control plus B. Right answer, C. Alt plus F. Question. 50. Which key is used with Control to save the open workbook? A. S. B. A. C. D. D. G. Right answer, A. S. Question. 51. Which key is used with Control to insert a hyperlink? A. K. B. H. C. D. D. F. Right answer, A. K. Question 52. Control plus is used to open a file from the directory? A. X. B. O. C. A. D. V. Right answer, D. V. Question 53. Which key is used to open the Home tab in MS Excel 2019? A. Control plus H. B. Control plus A. C. Control plus B. D. Alt plus H. Right answer, D. Alt plus H. Question 54. Which key is used with Control to display the Go to dialog box? A. B. B. G. C. C. D. X. Right answer, B. G. Question 55. Which key is used with Control to copy selected cells? A. D. B. A. C. C. D. B. Right answer, C. C.